Hello and welcome back to Crypto Boy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Shiba Inu coin on any computer, on any laptop devices. Even you can use this process on your mobile phone. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. Because in this channel you will find all video about crypto mining, crypto trading and all updates about cryptocurrency. But without your support, this channel is nothing. So make sure to subscribe this channel, hit the like button, share your comment in a comment section and share this video, share this channel with all your friends. If you are curious to mine Shiba Inu coin, so here I've just uploaded two videos how you can mine Shiba Inu coin on Android phone and how you can mine Shiba Inu coin on any laptop and PC. So I will give the link in description, you can watch this video. Beside that, I have a playlist here, you can check 10 videos I've just uploaded about mining cryptocurrency, so make sure to watch this playlist. But as I told you, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free Shiba Inu coin on any laptop, any computer system. Even you can use this website on your mobile phone. Although this website don't have a mobile application, but you can access it using Google Chrome web browser. Okay, you can check, this is the website Free Shiba Limited. I will give the link in description, so make sure click on the link, because there might be another wrong website, so make sure to click on the link that I have provided in description. Okay, once you come to this website, here you can see my Shiba Inu free PTC Edward free Shiba Binance token. Start earning cryptocurrency on the best faucet site in the world by doing task, offer walls, faucet, short links, PTC. First of all, you need to register using your Gmail ID. If you have account, so directly click on login and log into your account. Then I will guide you how you can use this website. Then you can check all the description, all the details of this website here. If we check all the users, USDT earned, withdrawals, days online, then we scroll down. This is all the features that can help you to get free Shiba Inu on this website, on your computer, even on your mobile. And scroll down here, you can check this description, why join us. You can check this all the details, even you can check the payments proof. So before starting, here click on register. We need to register using our Gmail ID, then we can use all the options, even we can use all this website. Okay, now in here what you need to do, at first you need to type your email address, then type your username, password, confirm password, and then click on register button. So finally we have created our account. This is the dashboard and this website is Free Shiba Limited. In dashboard, what you will find here, my Shiba Inu free PTC Edward. And here you will you can check your total earn, your referrals, then your balance, energy, deposit balance. If you deposit Shiba Inu, so you will get here. Then we scroll down, the minimum withdrawal is 50 million token, 50 million Shiba Inu token. So you can only withdraw this your profit to my Shiba Inu wallet address. How? Suppose go to your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet, then copy the my Shiba Inu wallet address and paste it here. Once the minimum withdrawal is completed, then you can easily withdraw your funds from this website to your MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. Okay, in left side, if we see, this is all the options, all the menus that can help us to get free Shiba Inu on our computer, even our mobile phone. So click on referrals. On referrals, you will get your referral link. You can invite your friends, you invite your family, even your family. Just tell them to register to this website using your referral link. Then you will get their 50% earning. This is my referral link. For sure you will get your referral link on here. Okay, then in here just check earnings, achievements, auto faucet, manual faucet. This is all the options that will give you, that can help you to get free Shiba Inu using this website. The first one is achievements. Here you will get all your achievements that you have done in this website, but for now here I don't have that much achievements. So if you complete all these options, then this progress bar will be in green color. Then we have dice. I don't recommend this one because this is too much risky. You might lose your Shiba Inu coin. Then click on auto faucet. On auto faucet, here you will get 50 tokens per minute. Now you can check, please wait 50 seconds, 49 seconds, 48 seconds to get 50 tokens per minute. You will get 50 tokens and you need to wait for 60 seconds. Sorry, not 50 seconds, 60 seconds. You need to wait for 1 minute in order to get 50 tokens. Here you can check 50 tokens has been added to your balance. So automatically it will start the next process. Once the 1 minute is completed, then you will get your 50 tokens. Then automatically it will start the next process. So this is the auto faucet that you can get only 50 tokens per minute. It means in 60 minutes, let me check, in 1 hour how much we will get. 60 multiplied by 15, in 1 hour you will get 3000 tokens. But this is better to use manual faucet. On manual faucet you will earn 3000 tokens per 5 minutes. See, this is 5 minutes and 3000 tokens, and you have 100 claims, daily 100 claims. So suppose how you can get 3000 tokens each 5 minutes. In here you need to do a few steps, like please click on the anti-board links in the following order. It means you need to click on the number by the sequence. First one is 8, 6, 10. So click on 8, then click on 6, then click on 10. Now click on collect your reward. Here you just get 3000 tokens has been added to your balance. If you use auto faucet, then on 1 hour you will get 3000, but if you use manual faucet, each 5 minutes you will get 3000 tokens. Suppose in 1 hour how much we will get? 60 divided by 5, 12 multiplied by 3000. In 1 hour you will get the 36 Shiba Inu token in 1 hour using manual faucet. Okay, the next option I will guide you only the useful option, but there are like will, and then we have short links, then we have PTC, lottery, but I will show you, I will guide you the useful one that are that are easy to use. So the next one is mining. On mining you can mine Shiba Inu coin. See, in one side you can mine Shiba Inu coin, in another side you can get free Shiba Inu coin. So this website is pretty good. Okay, in here browser mining, use Satoshi mining balance is 0 token, so I haven't started mining till yet, and the minimum withdraw is 50,000 tokens. Okay, how you can mine Shiba Inu coin on this option on this page? Simply click on start button. You can start mining, you can stop mining. So by clicking on start, your mining will be started, and in here it will show you the amount of Shiba Inu coin that you are mining. So like this you can mine Shiba Inu coin on this website, and even you can mine Shiba Inu coin in here. So if you don't want to go to like manual faucet, auto faucet, PTC, so simply click on start and just wait here and check. See, each second you are getting Shiba Inu coin on each second. So I think this is pretty good. Okay, the next option is short link. Okay, short link, let's click on it. I will give you a short overview of this short links, but okay, in here you have 44 links available. See, this are the total is 44 links, and the total tokens that you will get just by doing this all task, you will get 174,000 tokens. Then plus you will get 92 energy. If you get energy, then you can use this wheel of fortune. Okay, now how you can use it, how you can get token using this option. Instructions: number 1, click to here. Second, get link, earn 7,500 tokens and 3 energy. Then this option will give you 6,250 tokens, and this one will give you 5,750 tokens. Only what you need to do, just click on claim, then get the link, then you will get your token. So this is a little confusion because going to from this page to another page in order to get the link, till the time you did not get the link, you will not get your token. Okay, the next one is PTC. PTC is simple. Only you need to just click on go button and watch the ads and you will get your token. Okay, in this page we have 74 ads available. Total token is 130,000 tokens. Okay, now how you can get token? Each ads will give you 5,000 tokens. See, 5,000 tokens in 50 seconds. 5,000 tokens in 50 seconds. If we scroll down, it will give you 875 tokens in 2 seconds, and we scroll down, it will give you 1,250 tokens in 1 second. Okay, simply click on go button. Now in here, wait for 50 seconds. You need to wait for a 50 second. Then you just need to click I'm not a robot, then verify is okay. Just click on it, then verify. Okay, click verify. Now here, wait for a while. So now let's go back and check the website whether we get our token or no. Okay, the page is just loading. Here we get 5,000 tokens has been added to your balance. So this is the simple process you can do with all of this advertisement. The same, click on go button, then complete the verification, then wait for a while, then you will get your token. The same process, the same method will work with all of this advertisement. So the next one is lottery. Let's check the lottery. In here you need to buy one lottery with 5,000 tokens. This is if you are lucky, then you will get. If not, then you will lose your 5,000 tokens. So the next one is task. In task there are lots of tasks with lots of Shiba Inu token. Suppose how? In here, make one video and publish it on YouTube. Read this description. You need to read description. What is the requirement? What we need to do in order to earn this much token? Okay, if you upload video to YouTube, you will get $10 worth of Shiba Inu token. The requirement is title include Shiba in your title, description include your referral link plus put your video link, video duration 2 minutes, video must be just of Shiba, description include your referral link, types of video accepted, how to earn, how to withdraw, how Shiba works. Like this title, your title should be. Once you uploaded video on YouTube, just simply copy the link of YouTube, the link of video, and just paste it here and click on submit your proof. Once your proof is submitted, once the link is submitted, then you will get this much token with 5 energy plus 50 EXP. Then the next task is create your first block spot. Then this is the requirement. Just read the requirement. Once you are done with this, then just paste the link here, click on submit your proof, then you will get this much token. So there are lots of tasks, you will get lots of profit, lots of Shiba Inu coin. Well, the minimum withdrawal of this website is 50 million Shiba Inu. What I think, using this task, this is not too much difficult to complete the withdrawal limit, because as you check, they are just giving you 2 million of Shiba Inu tokens, 1 million of Shiba Inu tokens. Simply complete this task and get your Shiba Inu profit. So this is the website that you can get free Shiba Inu coin on your computer. Even you can use it on your mobile phone. Though this website don't have mobile application, but you can use it on any web browser like Google Chrome or any other web browser. Simply you need to log into your account and start getting free Shiba Inu coin. This is the most easiest website where you can mine Shiba Inu coin and you can get free Shiba token. So if you have any confusion or problem regarding to this website, regarding to this video, so please feel free to ask me in the comment section. So let me show you my total balance of Shiba token. And here now I have just 105,000 tokens. So like this, you will get free Shiba tokens, and once the minimum withdrawal is completed, then withdraw this, because 50 million Shiba tokens will be 428 USDT dollar. This is too much. So the video is just end up here. Still you did not subscribe to this channel, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload any video. Never hesitate to like this video, comment your idea about this video on a comment section, and share this video with your all friends. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.